Namaste and welcome to our Ayurveda cooking class. Today we are going to make vegetable khichdi. For making vegetable khichdi, we are going to need 1 bowl of rice, few slices of potato, 1 bowl of cut mushroom, 1 bowl of cauliflower, 1 bowl of carrot, few peas, finely chopped ginger and garlic, 1 small bowl of beans, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, ghee or clarified butter, and salt. These are the ingredients that we are going to require for serving 2 people at a time. Khichdi made with vegetables is a wholesome meal that gives you all required nutrients for your body. Adding vegetables to the khichdi raises its fiber value and you tend to stay full for a longer period of time, preventing overeating and hunger pangs, thus aiding in weight loss. It can be soothing and ease one's in the digestion process. These are comforting food and can be eaten on a regular basis. Lentil in dal khichdi has nutrients like protein, iron, calcium, potassium, and fat. The protein in dal helps you to stay full for a long time and aids in muscle growth as well. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and finely chopped ginger and garlic. We will saute it a little bit. To this add beans, peas, carrot, cauliflower, mushroom, and sliced potato. Now we will mix all the vegetables with the cumin seeds and ghee. One teaspoon of turmeric and add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, as per the taste of the individual you can add the salt. Now we will stir whole mixture. So that all the spices get mixed into it. We will add some water, almost 1 cup of water. Now we will add 1 bowl of properly rinsed rice. Mix the rice with whole mixture, the vegetables and the spices. We can add more water as per the consistency that we need. Basically, we add half liters of water. Now we will close the lid of the pressure cooker and let it boil for another 10 minutes. After 4 to 5 whistles, we can say that the khichdi is ready. Now we will open our pressure cooker after some time. After opening the lid of the pressure cooker, we will stir whole khichdi so that the vegetable mix with the whole grains all together. Take the khichdi out of the pressure cooker into a bowl. Our super delicious vegetable khichdi is ready, and we can garnish this khichdi with some coriander leaves. This was all about the demonstration of making vegetable khichdi. Thank you.